In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photos to a Facebook album without posting on your profile or your Facebook page, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. And guys, remember to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake, okay? Let's open Facebook, okay? Now, click on a profile picture. Now, click on a Facebook name, okay? Now, scroll down. Then you will see post, about, videos, and more. Under more, tap on the arrow down button. Now, click on photos, okay? Now click on see all. Now click on create album. Then tap the album name. You can say my recent photos. My recent photos. Under public, tap on it. Then click on see more. Then click on only me. Okay. Now click on the arrow back button. Then click create. Okay. Now you've successfully created the album. Now tap on the album that you've created. Now tap on add photos and videos. By doing this, you can add photos and videos to your album without posting on your Facebook profile or page. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.